For 4 decades, truth has found its voice.
Shaped by partnerships that stand for what matters most.
Isinusulong ng mga naghahanap ng katotohanan at nagsasalaysay ng mga kwentong may kabuluhan.
Trusted across generations through moments of clarity and uncertainty.
At higit na pinagtibay ng walang sawang paninindigang maglingkod.
Higit pa sa isang plataporma, ito'y naging puwersang naghahayag, nagbibigay linaw at nagtatanggol sa katotohanan.
This year, we celebrate not just the legacy, but those who continue to carry it forward.
Not just the milestones
Or the stories that define generations.
Not just the advocacies that spark change.
But those who continue to carry it forward.
Together, we move forward.
The truth,
ang katotohanan,
Kaagpaiswanan.
Katotohanan.
Kaagpaiswanan.
Where truth shines.